we have installed the manager, worker 1 and the worker 2, this is the time to check the connectivity and certain configurations. So I have my proxy configured. You have your proxy already there. We have installed the manager. In the previous session we had done that, and then I had also created worker 1 and the worker 2. So all I need to check is the connectivity. So this is my proxy. So I will check the IP address. You can access with the root, that is much more easier. So I got an access from the root. I check the IP address. So I have to just make sure that the IPs are same which we have discussed or designed in the previous class. So this is my proxy. This is the proxy server. So proxy has got two interfaces. First one is in the NAT mode and second one is in the host only mode. This will be getting the IP from the DSCP. Now this IP can be different in your case, but the second one, which is in the host only mode, I had specified the IP of 10.0.0.200. Feel free to use the same IP so that we will be there will be no confusion during the training, or if you want to change the IP, feel free to do it. So that is the first thing I have to check. Then I will also check the IPs of the other machines. So I go to my manager. This is my manager. Again, give the IP address show. So it has got a single LAN card. We have discussed that. The manager will have only a single LAN card, this one, which is in the host only mode. And this has got an IP of 10.0.0.100. So this is my manager IP. And one more thing which I will do is I will check the etc host file. I should have a static entry of this. So I have this entry in the etc host, which you can clearly see that in the etc host, this is the file. I had made up this entry 10.0.0.100 manager. I'm not going to place other machines entries, as we'll be doing the communication over the IP, so not needed. So this is done. Wonderful. And let me see, I also need to see the, okay, let's first check the connectivity things, the IPs. So this is cool. I go to the node 1. Node 1, I check the IP, sorry. The IP is 10.0.0.1 as we have discussed. This is again in the host only mode. Host only. Give yourself time, don't rush. We'll be building the complete setup. And this is the IP address. Perfect. It seems good to me. Now let me check the entry in the etc host, whether that is there or not, right? So if I check cat etc host, it is there, 10.0.0.1 node 1. So that is the name of the node. So this entry exists in the file etc host. Perfect. So node 1 is good for me, good to go. Then let's check the node 2. So I go to the node 2, I check the IP. This is again in the host only mode. So single LAN card on the servers in the host only mode. And this has got an IP of 10.0.0.2. This is again good. Happy with this. Now let's check the etc host. So do it, give yourself time. Now there we don't have an entry here, so I will open the file etc host and put up an entry. So 10.0.0.2 and node 2. That's it. This is done. Now if I check it, cat etc host, I should be able to see. Perfect. So this is the file and this is the entry. Now once this is done, let me check the connectivity. are these machines able to talk to each other or not? So from the manager, I will do it. I will be doing a ping to all the machines. So ping 10.0.0.200. I am trying to ping the proxy, right? Ping proxy, whether we are able to reach proxy or not. Perfect. We are able to reach the proxy. Now ping the node 1, 10.0.0.1. So this is a ping to node 1. Yeah, we are able to reach 10.0.0.1 also, and ping to the node 2. If this is good, that means the connectivity wise we have got no issues. We had assigned the right IPs to the right interfaces. This is important before we jump onto the cluster installation. Perfect. So this is very good. So you should be having the same output in your cluster. All the 4 machines should be able to talk. So if this is good, we are good to go to the next topic.